course, you already know what it is. It's your girl Baby Cakes back again with another video. Alright? So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and please comment down below. Okay? So today I am ridiculously excited. I really excited, right? Listen, I just excited. Oh my goodness. So today this video is about me eating. I don't know if that be excited for all, but not that I eating excited. It's what I eating excited, right? So as you know, what you're looking at from the title of this video, I would be eating Guyanese snack, right? I live in Trinidad and Tobago, and it is hard to get Guyanese snack over here. It is hard to get Guyanese snack over here. And when okay, so here how it went, right? I went in town, Port of Spain, Trinidad, to check my friend, right? So jump in a car, blah blah blah, come down with her. As I jump out the car, I began walking, and on the corner of Charlotte Street, on the corner of Charlotte Street, I saw a man stand up. Well, it was a lot of people standing up, right? And then I want to know, like, what I stand up for? You're not supposed to be gathering during to this pandemic thing. So I just take a peep and I see white pudding, right? White pudding. You know it's white pudding. Oh my goodness. And as it's my turn to buy, I was like, it have any white pudding? It finished. I was like, it finished? What kind of fraudery is that? Right? And I was kind of sad, but kind of thing. So when I go closer to the woman and I saw like this big square container with pastries, right? And she said she have chicken foot, she have cheese roll, she said she have pie tart. Oh my goodness. And cheese roll. Well, you know, I went mad and I purchased as much as I can because I just paid $20 for, well, $20 worth in their stuff, right? So I was like, okay, I'll just take things. You know, you get kind of a little cheap. She ain't really had that kind of money right now and stuff like that, right? So I buy $20 worth, 20 TT worth in these stuff, right? So I'm about to eat it with you guys. I'm about to eat it with you guys, okay? So first, I can't say I would leave the best to last because all is just the best, you know, like. But first, I have cheese straw. Cheese. Why am I? You see, I'm too excited. Sorry. Oh, you see, I'm forgetting the name. Cheese roll, right? Kind of bent up one thing, but I ain't nothing all going into the belly. All is going in. But yeah, well, the video kind of gonna be short, so I'll just take a bite of everything. My mouth inside of water, kind of thing. Right, I'll just take a bite of everything, explain, you know, give all that little talk and stuff like that. But hopefully that this video have that amount of storage. Because my storage kind of ridiculous right now, low and all kind of giving trouble. So I don't know, right? Sorry, I'm choking on myself. Yes, right. So I'm about to open it. Excited. Take a whiff. Sorry, I just smell food before I eat it. It's just a habit. I don't know why. Some people might say it's a bad habit. People might say it's alright with them, but that's just me. Cheese roll, guys. Cheese roll. Cheese roll. Alright. Oh. Mm. Mm. I'll just take one bite. No, just not. I have to tie back the bag because, as I say, sorry, as I said that the storage is low. I hopefully it's still videoing because I use my back camera so I can see phone screen. The phone screen to see when it's done. Right? Again, I don't know. I don't want to cry. Listen, I really miss Guyana. I know. I really miss home. Honestly, I really miss home. Not because of food, but like family and stuff like that. But that cheese will bring back so much memories, right? And the memories that I have is like every single time me and my mommy and my brothers like go down in like down the road to catch a bus or something. To have like the market that sell all these stuff, right? And like every time she going home, she have to buy cheese roll, pint tart, Sarah, and all those things. Cheese, chicken foot. I listen. When that time come, you're gonna know. So now we have it kind of break up, yeah. But I was in a rush and it was in my bag. But this is pine tart. Listen, as a young girl, I never really liked pine tart. I don't know why, but it's from Guyana. Well, not it's from Guyana. A lady over here make it, and she's a Guyanese too. Pine tart, right? I can't wait, guys. I can't wait. Okay, trying to hurry up. Trying to hurry up. All right, it's open. Whew. Pine tart is like first. Okay, cheese roll is with cheese wrap up with it. So welcome back again. I had some kind of difficulty and stuff like that, you know, like the storage literally got full. So I changed my memory card and now I can video a nice long video, you know. So I'll finish off from where I will start from where I finished. You see, I'm mumbling because I'm excited. So I have a whole long, kind of not long story, but kind of story to tell you guys. So your girl have been trying to find this woman for the past, let's say, 4 days now, 4 or 5. Yeah, about 5 to 6 days now. I've been trying to find this woman, and it's like I'm not seeing her at all because I wanted to like buy more stuff to make like a better video and stuff like that. But right, I couldn't find this woman, and I started giving up. And hope I'm getting sad because I wanted to eat more stuff. You know, I don't want to sound greedy, but if only know where I'm coming from. I just miss Guyana. I really miss it, that country. And these things bring back memories. But anyways, I finally found her today. Right? I found her today and I purchased stuff. A lot, no, not a lot, but I purchased stuff, right? So this is the pine tart that I was opening like in the next part of the video, right? And the, as I was saying, the cheese roll is with the pastry and cheese, and it kind of wrap up and it's long, and then you know they put like when you're done bake it, is put like a egg wash on it. It's put an egg wash on this too, right? There's the pine tart. This one is with the flour. I would say pastry, the flour and the jam. Yeah, so this is like pineapple jam. I never eat it with no other jam but pineapple jam, and I don't really like it as a young girl, as I said before, but it's meant to be. Listen, I'm having some technical difficulties, so I'm back. We shares a lot, like we just share a lot. So pouring the sauce on it. Yum! I'm so excited for this. Like sharing the sauce. Ooh, that's quite a lot of sauce, but nothing is better than plenty. Please don't throw away sauce. Do not throw away. Right. Stay. I said to stay. Do not be stubborn. Dude, stay. What the hell? Okay, I think it's gonna stay. Right, so I have this sauce on it. Whew. You know me, I gotta sniff this. Alright, listen. I'm not gonna eat like most of it, like on camera, but this egg ball would be devoured in front of this camera. All of it. I usually like make egg ball in Trinidad. Used to actually make egg ball to sell, and the business was going good, but then all of a sudden customers wasn't coming because most people didn't really know about it. It would be difficult to sell like another country food in another country. It's kind of difficult because people like to eat what they're accustomed to. So yeah. So I'm about to boil one set of cassava, one set of oil. Oh yes, I have to boil the egg too. Well, it's obvious, but whatever. Alright, so I'm about to boil all them those things, and it gone to waste. Money losing there, so I just said let me give up and stuff like that. Oh, I have something to tell you guys. So, like about last week, guys, today is the... What is today? Today is the 31st of July. So, like last week, I kind of get into trouble with Facebook. Well, not get into trouble, but Facebook kind of like, let me say, ban block kind of way, because it's like a whole story to tell, right? So a lady, like an American, right, just sent me a friend request, and I accepted, and as soon as I accepted it, she texted me. I was like, okay. She was like, hi. I was like, hi. She was like, do you want to do something? Do you want to post up housing ads on Marketplace on Facebook, right? On Facebook, and she will pay me 600 US. I know that was like a scam thing, like a fraud, but I still take the chance. I would say I did a favor. I just did a favor for them. So I did it, right? She sent the pictures, I posted up, I did what she asked. And well, can't say she. That's be a different explanation. After, right? So the person sent the stuff, I did it, whatever. Then when I sent it, a lot of persons that are say they're interested, send a link, whatever, and more information. If they can have dogs in the place, if they can have pets, where's the location, all this stuff. And when I asked the person that tell me to do it for them, what to do with all these questions, she said just refer them to an email. So I did that. I referred them to the email, whatever, and few persons was like, nah, this is a scam, I know this already, and stuff like that. I knew it was a scam, but I didn't like think of anything to say. I just did it. Honestly, I did it for the money, but I know it was a scam, but I still do it. I still took the chance, right? So, like the people reported my account, right? Like they reported my Facebook account and make my Facebook account get taken away. Okay, I must say not taken away. After 30 days it will be taken away. I will not be able to get that after before the 30 days, because I have to get a code, because the code's supposed to send a number, my phone number that is joined to the account, and I do not have that number anymore. I tried contacting Digital, and they told me it's not refundable. The number is not refundable. So I was like, you know what, let me make a new account. So I made a new account, and I would have to put that, you know, down below, the name of that account, right? So yeah, I was sad because I had a lot of people that I knew. So, you know, it is to like send like new friend requests and post up new fake pictures. It's horrible. Alright, so now we have one of my most favorite. There's a lot of that is my most favorite. Oh, my mouth is like ridiculous right now. Anyway, right? So one of my favorites, one of my most favorites, and that is white pudding. Okay, it has something called pudding, like chocolate pudding. That's like, I don't know what that is, but I just hear about it. I never eat it before or anything like that, but I heard about chocolate pudding, vanilla pudding, and all kinds of things. But this is rice pudding, white rice pudding, right? It might be looking a little weird. Okay, let me take one out of the bag and show you guys how it's really looking, right? So, ooh, it have like rice in a tube. They stuffed rice in a tube. You seen it? Yeah, kind of stuffed rice in a tube. I think it's either cow intestines or pig intestines. I know it sounds nasty. This is what I grew up on, and nothing like this would change my mind, right? So another whiff. Oh my goodness, this I don't know what again to say. But anyway, so we also put sour sometime on this, according to the people, but I put sour on it, you know. Everything I put sour on except the pastries. Right, so here goes sour going on in it. Ooh wee, ooh wee. So you eat the rice out of it. Well, I eat the rice out of it, right? And you take out this. I just take out this. Alright? Yeah. So that's what I do. Right? So this is the bag. I'm going to put sour in it. But this is what I used to do when I was younger. Right? So I'm putting the sour in it. Right? putting the sour in it. Yes, I love a lot of sour. Well, mango sauce, as Trinidadians will say. Trinidad and Tobagonians will say. Right? So, I tied it up. Right? Tied it up. And I mashed it up. Like, take all the rice and everything loose and whatever. And mix up the sauce and thing. It looks nasty. I know it looks disgusting. But listen, I love this. Yeah, you might say I like nasty thing and whatever. But I will never stop eating white pudding like this. Right? So I kind of like squeeze it up. See? Squeeze it up, and then I will pierce a hole right here. Right there. Right? And I would like eat it through the hole. This is to die for. I won't eat all the thing on the camera because a lot of people might say that's disgusting and stuff like that. I'll eat this separate. Well, just eating a little to show you guys, right? Oh my goodness. There's a piece of the intestines. Can't remember if it's pig or cow. I think it's cow. Yeah. Right. And I throw the piece of the skin. I know you guys might will say it's disgusting, but listen, that is something I really love. I really love that, you know. Okay, next on the agenda, I have me here. I can't say this is my best. I can't say this is my most favorite. Listen, this is everything. This is called cheese straw. Look at it, guys. See? Focus. I hope this camera is focusing. I'm using my back camera, so because the front camera is blurry. So I hope it is focusing, that you can see it properly. Right? This is made with cheese, butter, slight pepper, a little bit of flour, a little bit of mustard, and stuff like that, right? Oh my, hey, if y'all could see my paws raising. Look at this. Oh, take a bite. It is crunchy. It is tasty. Excuse me, sorry. This is to die for. I love me some cheese straw. My mom used to make this for me a lot. Like really a lot. Listen, I don't want to start a cry because my mom passed approximately 5 years now, and it still affects me a lot. It affects me a lot, right? And I just get really depressed and sad, very emotional. Ever since that day happened, it's like my world just keep tumbling, crumbling, and falling to pieces. Right? I don't know how to live without her, but for the past 5 years I've been trying. It's been hard, but I've been trying. Mommy used to make a lot of things for me and my brothers. A lot. She used to love these things. Her favorite was I think it was Pine Tart and Solara. Okay, Solara. Solara is a like bread. You roll it out. You make the dough like bread, right? You roll it out on a platter, like a counter, and you use a rolling pin. Not too thin, right? They're just a little bit thick like that. The dough should be thick like that. And they use grated coconut with coloring, and they put it on top of the dough and then roll it, right? So when it bake, it have like a swirl. If I got a picture, I would pop a picture on the video to see for you guys to see it. But yeah, my mommy loves Solara. I didn't really like it much. I like sweet melting, like shisha, and something else that is coming up. So my mom likes Solara and Pine Tart and stuff like that. I'm gonna eat that later. Not all I will be eating later. I'm not that greedy. Alright. So I'm gonna be leaving for tomorrow. My hair is in a mess. Sorry if you guys see me looking at the side, because the mirror is right there. I don't want to be talking and my mouth is dirty and stuff like that. So the mirror helping me because I'm not using my front camera, remember. Right? My hair is in like a really hot mess. I'm growing ras. So yeah, I'm on a ras journey. Rasta. Okay. Let me go to the next thing. Oh, we don't put sour on that neither. That come like a pastry. Don't put sour now. Alright. So now we have here, this is really common in a lot of Caribbean places. Look, plantain chip. This is plantain chip. Over here they say plantain chip. Over Guyana they say plantain chip. I think most Caribbean places they say plantain chip. Most, I don't know. You know? Yeah, so I'm about to open it. Open it up. Ooh, this bag is tight. Right, it's open. Ooh, these chips are really thin and they're stick together. Look at it. They literally stick together. Sniff. I know all plantain chips taste the same, but listen. Plantain chip that a Guyanese make, to me it's different. Everybody else is different, people is different, but for me, this plantain chip is different. So yeah, you put some sour, you can put sour on this, right? And I used to do this in school. So you take it and shake it up so that like you can get like almost all the chips. You shake it up, right? Make sure it's nice and all covered with sour, and then you just eat it, right? So it's kind of covered and tasty, but these chips are really thin and I like it like that. This is bussin'. This is bussin'. I love this. This is nice, you know. I really miss Guyana. I've never stopped saying it. Never ever stop saying it. Oh yes, I remember I forgot to tell you guys something. I got a big news. I will not be saying it on camera, but I got, well, not big news, a letter that will bring big news, you know. Finally got a letter, and I'm really happy. So yeah, pray for me, guys. To all the fast ones, if you want to know what the letter is about, inbox me on Facebook or TikTok or Instagram, right? I'll put the name down below. Inbox me and you can know. I'll think about telling you guys. And all those who don't want to know, thanks for not being so in my business. I'm really just for it. So now it's about 8 something, I think. And I just go in my bed like about 12 in the morning, 1 in the morning, and stuff like that. Because I don't like sleep much. So those things gonna keep my company. Right. Last but not least, it have a weird name. Yes, it does. It has a really weird name. I don't know why they named it. Guyanese named it like that, but growing up, that is how I know it, and that's the name I know it. Right. So here we have. Oops. I'm trying to waste my stuff. Here we have chicken foot. You see? Chicken foot. Yeah. It's like a cousin to kuma. Trinidadians call it kuma or kurma or something like that. And Tobago, not Tobagonians, Guyanese say mitai. Mitai? Yeah. M-I-T-T-I, I think. Mitai? Yeah, I think that's how to spell it. Right? This tops everything. That's why I left this one for last. This tops everything. Above cheese straw, I love cheese straw. I love cheese straw. But that tops above it. This tops above it. This tops above white pudding. This tops above cheese roll. This tops above egg ball. This tops above pint tart by far. See this? It didn't have nothing else. Listen, if y'all want to bribe me, I don't take bribes so much, right? But if you want to bribe me, get me chicken foot. Get me these. Yeah. Listen, not chicken foot like you 2 chicken foot walking. No. This. Okay? This. Right? And we are supposed to want this too. And we do the same thing that we does with the I love a lot of sour on my stuff, so as I said again. Right? And we'll do the same thing as we did the chicken foot, the plantain chip. When I was younger, I used to shake it around. So I had all the sauce. See all the sauce just on this side and it hardly has sauce on this side? See? Yeah. Trying to let all be coated. All of it be coated. See? Oh my, oh my, oh my. Whew. I could eat this every day, whole day, every minute, every second, every hour. I could eat this all the time. I prefer this over food. Prefer this over KFC. Prefer this over anything to eat. You see chicken foot. I love chicken foot. And honestly, when I saw it, when the woman was selling it, I saw it. I thought it would have tasted different. She would have like do some kind of difference or something. But listen, first time I tasted from this lady, I fell in love. So I literally wanted to like find this woman so bad. This is really crunchy though. I really needed was to find her. I'm making a mess. Alright guys. Sorry, let me finish it. Alright guys, so that's the end of my video. Why is this plastic in here? That's the end of my video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss another video. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace.